Welcome or welcome back. My name is Kim, and I just wanted to let you all know that my channel is going to have a name change. So what was Kim's Creations is now going to be Kim's Art Alchemy. Why the name change? Well, because there are at least 3 other channels with the name Kim's Creations spelled exactly the same way mine does, which makes it confusing for people to find me as well as relocate me once they have. So Kim's Art Alchemy doesn't have any other YouTube names, and I kind of liked the whole alchemy part of it because that's exactly what I do with this channel. I take substances or objects and I transform them into something else. And when you create art, it's also self-transformative and hopefully giving ideas to others to transform their art. Hence the name Kim's Art Alchemy. So I hope you stick with this, and I just wanted to explain that. So again, Kim's Creations is going to be Kim's Art Alchemy. Bye for now. Welcome to this super special unboxing where both Marie-Louise and I unbox the paintings we made for each other. To set the scene, both Marie-Louise and I waited until we both had received our packages, and then we scheduled a time where we could both open them together live and on camera.
Weapons. We've got our weapons, our tools of destruction. Right.
Ready? Are we ready?
Do it. Should we go at the same time?
Yes.
Same time, yeah? Okay.
Yes. Let's do it.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. I don't want to open it now. It's too exciting.
See you. Does my box open down the middle? Oh,
Yeah.
it does. On the other side. There we go.
There we go.
I can't even begin to express how excited we were to be opening each other's presents, in effect. Even though we knew what was inside, it's so different when it's right there in front of you and you're about to reveal the magic that you saw on the screen. And I just have to say, it is such an amazing honor to be gifted with this by Marie-Louise. It's representative of our friendship, and it's absolutely made and sent with love. So one of the great things is Marie-Louise put a seal on the package, and it's the Tree of Life. And what a thoughtful addition to packaging. So while I'm unboxing this, I want to share a couple of things from Marie-Louise's video that really stood out to me. First of all, she knows that I love blues. Absolutely love them. Blue with anything is amazing. One of the masterful things I noticed Marie-Louise do is use some white on the painting over the colors, which helps to highlight them. And it's something that I think we all need to do more of, including myself. Next up for me is the swipes. And she is absolutely amazing. So Marie-Louise has already done a swipe, but then she goes back through and modifies it. And on that second larger swipe, the one that's on the right, she kind of does a loop on it, and it created depth within the quote-unquote galaxy. One of the really cool things about doing fluid art is watching paint move and getting it to move where you want it to. And she does it so well to stretch out those bands in the galaxy. Just look how beautiful it turned out. It could have been left like this and would have been awesome. But no, there's more. Now back to breaking into my wonderful package here. I think part of the fascination of unboxing videos is to see how other people package their artwork. And I have gotten so many tips from it. And this is just the coolest idea that I saw ML do. And she actually used foam and formed it into corners to protect the corners of the canvas, and then used tape to hold them in place. So what a genius idea. ML has come up with a way to combine acrylic painting with spray painting in galaxies. And now check this out. She's already sprayed different kinds of stardust onto the painting, and then she uses a cutout, a stencil in effect, as her planet, and carefully lays it down where she wants that planet to go, and uses white spray paint to create highlights, and leaves the dark part of the canvas as shading for this planet that she's created. And then she does a very similar thing for creating stars, again using a template and then blocking the rest of the canvas so that she can just spray that one little area to create a star. So just before I reveal the painting to myself, have a look at how ML uses baby wipes to wipe off that overflow spray paint and just lighten up those nebula bands. It's gorgeous.
Look at this. I get to see it here. Made with love for my wonderful friend Kim, all the way from Cornwall, UK. I love it. Look at that. Oh, oh, it's wonderful. And that the shading and the highlighting on your planet is absolutely incredible. And the stardust. Oh, I'm getting fingerprints all over yours now.
Mitts off. Oh.
Made with love for my wonderful friend Kim. Oh my goodness. It was at
I
the
was thinking, I
bottom.
hope I put it in. I think I did.
Oh, Marie-Louise Rolfe, LouiseArt, Mixed Media. Love it.
As in like a card. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah.
You did. Oh, there's a heart. Oh my God. Oh, look at a little glitter, a little confetti heart. You're naughty. Look at them all. Oh my gosh, how fun. Thank goodness there's not a million of them. Oh, look at that. How funny. Okay, let's contain the confetti. Aw, to my darling Kim. What a blessing it has been to have met you, gotten to know you, and to have you in my life as one of my dearest friends. I hope you like this painting and your favorite blues made with love. Oh, I love it. I haven't even looked at the front of the card and now I'm seeing that. Look at that. It's my painting. Oh my God, look at that. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing that you did that. Remember, you are made of light and wonder. Remember your worth. Remember that even in the darkness, you are still light. The poem.
Here's the poem. It's such a special one. We'll always share that one.
That one's awesome. Oh, it's the whole thing is wonderful.
I'm so glad we did this because it'd be so easy, wouldn't it, just to do recording and stuff. But actually, there's nothing like doing it in real time because the excitement and the fun and the
just the sharing of the experience.
Absolutely. And it'll just be easier now, isn't it?
Yeah, now that we've got it figured out. Sort of.
ML, I will treasure this galaxy that you made for me, just like I treasure our friendship. And I love that I have an extra card so I can have this galaxy in a second place. For those of you who have not seen this original painting in its creation, please click on the link above, or you can click on the link below in the description. Of course, please make sure that you are subscribed to Marie Louise's channel. I also want to thank all my channel subscribers. Thank you so much for being here and for continuing to watch my creations.